Feeling pretty good. Did a lot better than I was expecting to do, so.
Just relieved to get the stress over and done with, know what I got.
Pretty sleepless, yeah. Didn't get too much sleep in.
It was stressful, I'll give it that. I was kind of debating in my head like how I did back then.
No, I waited until I could get it on the actual physical copy.
I went in blind as well. I didn't want to spoil the surprise.
Well, CEO placements are out next week. Until then, just going to be working and probably going out to drink tonight. But
Same thing, but with a lot more drink, yeah.
Okay, so 8 H1s each. Tell me about your reaction to seeing that this morning.
Oh, I was shocked. I was so nervous this week, and even this morning, just the countdown to 10 a.m. I was just so nervous. But when I opened it up and I saw each grade one by one, I couldn't believe it. But I was just so proud of myself and all the work that I'd put in, and as well all my teachers. I know they'd worked so hard to get me here, so I was just delighted. Couldn't be happier.
I just couldn't believe it. I kept refreshing, being like, are these actually my own results? I was over the moon, and I'm just so excited for the what's to come now after this.
I think having a positive attitude towards exams really helps, and just trying to enjoy your subjects as much as possible. And I think the biggest thing is just getting into school every day. I actually didn't miss a day of school in 5th or 6th year, so just coming to school every day, doing your homework and listening to the teachers is honestly the way to do it. I'm hoping to study medicine at RCSI.
I'm hoping to do pharmacy in Trinity.
I'm delighted with my results, and yeah, it was worth the stress.
Yeah, a lot of early mornings, late nights, but it paid off, definitely. Delighted.
I kept up sport during the year, and I think it was really important as a social outlet, but also to get some movement in during the week and a break from the books, and I think it really helped a lot.
Yeah, same with me, sports, singing, guitar, everything definitely kept me on track, especially just with the stress and everything, just let go a little bit for a few minutes a day, but yeah.
I'm hoping to go into college in UCD now, so fingers crossed I get my course, and yeah, I'm really excited, looking forward to it after today. So
yeah, UCD as well for me, hopefully starting in the next month or so yeah.
I did chemistry, applied maths and DCG. I thought chemistry was the worst just because of how much is in it, but yeah, I still enjoyed it. So
yeah, I did applied maths, business, economics and politics, and I found politics is really good, but applied maths can be quite tricky and the projects are very tough. So
I'm looking to do engineering in Trinity, but don't know yet.
Yeah, maybe do business and law in UCD, so yeah.
Oh, it's so good seeing everyone after so long since we finished, and just seeing everyone together and meeting everyone is really great.
I'm really glad so many of my friends did really well. They texted me on WhatsApp, Snapchat. It was good results across the board.